vlog, girlies.
It should be painful.
What do you have there?
5 gallons of Chex Mix snacks.
We are getting ready for my show choir preview show. This is the makeup look. Usually for show choir we have required looks, but today we don't have that yet because it's just a preview, you know. We're not even wearing costumes or anything like that, just our hair extensions. So this is the look. I don't know how it looks. Do you think it's good? It just depends on how you think it looks. Stand up and look. Sorry. It's like really, your hair's really tangled. Yeah, it's good for now. What are you doing, Hayden? Vlogging. Oh, I like your bangs. Ow. Where are we going?
Arizona, the airport.
When do we? The airport. To go to Arizona. We got to the airport 30 minutes early. This is me realizing that I broke my camera.
Sauce in this.
Okay guys, we are at what is known as the compound in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I am gonna give you a little, I'd say house tour, but as I said previously, this is the compound. We've got garage there, cars there, garage there, another garage right there. 1, 2, 6 cars.
I was used to hiding what I want and panicking when my name was called. I'd bolt and anything short of drawing night would make me feel shy and smile. Oh, you did everything that you could to drown out all the whispers that I was no good.
Fancy bathroom, another fireplace.
There's 5 minutes now.
Like you press a button and this like goes down.
Oh yeah, don't press the middle thing.
You lied to me.
Wow.
Got the man cave over here. Oh, this is cool. I didn't see this before. Apple. I think they locked me in here. Oh. Pool gear. Oh, I don't know where that goes. They told me there weren't any secret passageways in here, but it appears I've been lied to. Another fireplace. We're in Arizona. There's 3 TVs right there. 3. Okay. We good. More art. High ceilings. I don't know what this is. Short closet. Vase. This is where my parents are staying. This is the guest room. One of many. This very beautiful armoire. You can see out front. Ooh, it's bright. Upstairs for the bed. Then take a. Where's this go? Boom! Good job, guys. This is where my brother and I are staying. These beds go into this thing. There's a zebra. Me. Okay. Henry. And then our bathroom as well. Very messy, don't judge us. You know, we're living in here for a while. It's my swimsuit. And here's our shower. It's a little dark in this area, but... Alright. That's this side of the house. Let's go past the other side of the living room. You have a casino in here? No, the casino. Oh, the casino. Well, yeah, we'll gotta do this full house first. Here's the bar. Where does this go to?
Oh, check it out. Light switches on the left behind the door.
Ooh, it's a wine cellar. It's cold. Keep the wine cold. Fancy. Should have got that by the grapes. More paintings. Guest bathroom. Okay, guys, update. It's not a toilet. It's a pantry. So nice. So nice. Kitchen, turkey in the oven.
Hi, tell me how to unmute the TV.
Bruh. By pressing the unmute button. What the? What kind of remote is this? Over here, you know, we just got some storage, you know. Nope, it's a fridge. And then, of course, you know, it's not one fridge, we got two fridges. Two fridges. And of course, you know, the freezer underneath there, yeah. Some more storage, it's got some snacks for Thanksgiving.
Potatoes!
And then over here, of course, you know, we've got the dishwasher. You know, everybody needs a dishwasher. But, then we have, two dishwashers.
Would you like to see the closet that is devoted to vases and baskets?
Yes. More paintings. They're beautiful. So those. Oh my god. We'll just come around back. Oh, that's someone else's house. Don't look over there. That's rude. But over here, we've got big green egg. We've got another oven. A grill. So, if you don't feel like cooking big green egg, we got this thing. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, seating. Another fireplace, of course. Over here, got stuff for the pool. We've got a bar. So come down here. Serve people in the pool over here. Some bar seats. A football is in the sink. you know, pretty normal. Some heater lamps, you know, because it's cold. Statues, lions. I think they come alive at night, cause a ruckus. Beautiful view. Golf course. Pool. Sunset. That, oh God, why is the sun so big? Good outside view of the house.
Doing what?
I don't need drugs, I'm high on life and cocaine. Oh, Elizabeth.
Hold on.
I'm jumping over waves for a minimal gaze. Running up the top, but they say it's a phase. Taking down costs like we're spending the day. Making up ground like we paving the way. We don't stop, running miles. Bar hop till the eye, yeah. Couple white clouds and I'm up on the go. Bringing the friends by the end of the show. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. Don't stop living that lifestyle. Feeling this way, it's been a while. While I'm always feeling like there's something on the go. Always in my head like I left it on the stove. You know one day gon' flash in a minute. The lights turn on and the next you gon' miss it. Rolling on through should be something so different. I'm bouncing on by, walk hop in those digits. Freestyle like I'm on top of a wave. Someone coming live, so get out my way. Grab another drink, so check out my sway. Send them on home in the middle of the day. Cooking so hot that skin's on a glow. Skin's gon' block all that melanin show. I don't wanna hear while I'm up in the skid. No need to knock while he up in the clear. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay I could drive a red Ferrari, till everybody knows my name. Heart skips while I'm sipping on coffee. I feel like I'm going insane. Picking up a couple of hotties, looking back and they all the same. Not to sound like I'm somebody heartless. Now they got me thinking, what am I saying? And I won't apologize that I'm living up my life while I'm going up 80 on a dash. And I don't seem to mind that I'm taking up my time, knowing all that it moves so fast. Well, daylight till the midnight. Rooftops and the invite. Showing off your tan lines.
Are you cold? Are you cold?
Whenever I go, I'm passing through. Had you on my mind, I thought you knew. Whatever I say or what I do was gonna bring it back to me and you. Now I'm bouncing, lemonade, sipping away. Empty on fuel while I'm running my place. Spotlight staring while I'm looking up high. Picking up skates, so relate to my place. Yeah, and you can't stop the motion that happens when I can't sit still.
Yay, it didn't fall.
But that just takes too much skill. Been cruising off ways, but I think I've been doing it for the thrill. Was down and good cause mom was at home while heating up on the daylight till the midnight. Rooftops and the invite. Showing off your tail lights. Lean back cause you look fine. Yeah, daylight till the midnight. Rooftops and the invite. Showing off your tail lights. Lean back cause you look fine. Daylight till the midnight. Rooftops and the invite. Show off your tan lines while leaning back cause you look fine. Yeah, daylight till the midnight. Rooftops and the invite. Showing off your tan lines. Lean back cause you look fine.
We broke down.